Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are platforms where you can offer your skills and services to a global audience. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or virtual assistant, there's a market for you. Companies such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research pay for your opinions. It's a simple and easy way to earn extra cash or gift cards. Websites like Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list remote job openings in a variety of fields. It's a great way to earn a steady income from the comfort of your home. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Skillshare allow you to share your knowledge and make money while doing it. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogging sites allow you to earn through ads, sponsorships, and donations from your audience. Offering virtual assistant services to businesses or entrepreneurs is another way to make money online. Tasks may include email management, scheduling, and customer support. For the photographers out there, consider selling your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock. Every time someone purchases or licenses your image, you earn royalties. Online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace are platforms where you can sell handmade, vintage, or used items. If you enjoy writing, consider creating and self-publishing ebooks. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing allow you to earn royalties from sales. Remember, while these opportunities are legitimate, success may require time, effort, and skill development. Stay away from scams and websites that require you to pay upfront fees or provide personal information. Always research and verify the legitimacy of the platforms you choose to use. In the world of making money online, patience, perseverance, and due diligence are your best friends.